Try these anti-snoring exercises to have a better night's sleep. Number 1, stick out your tongue and hold it for 5 seconds. I'm not showing you my tongue, you rascal. Repeat that 3 or 4 times. If you want a bit more resistance, you can push your tongue against a spoon.
So a lot of people are out there hoping that they can tape your mouth shut, lick a spoon, rub your cheek, and get you into their money-making venture enough so that they make a lot of money before you realize you've been had. That's not really a viable way forward for snoring and sleep apnea.